similar planets and moons. With that hemisphere of Baldemnik rotating quickly into night, the wind was increasing in strength and the temperature was dropping. The map he had called up on the comlink showed that the planet's primary spaceport was only a few hundred kilometers to the south. Tenebris had intentionally skirted the port when they had made planetfall, coming in over the northern ice cap rather than over the sea. Plagueis calculated that he could cover the distance to the spaceport by evening of the following day, which would still give him a standard week in which to return to Munilinst in time to host the gathering on Sojourn. But he knew, too, that the route would take him through areas inhabited by both elite and plebeian Kon-Mi, so he resolved to travel at night to avoid contact with the noisome and xenophobic reptilian sapients. There was little point to leaving dead bodies in his wake. Cinching the robe around his waist, he began to move, slowly at first, then gathering speed, until to any being watching he would have appeared a dazzling blur, an errant dust devil racing across the treeless terrain. He hadn't run far before he chanced upon a rudimentary trail impressed in places with the footprints of indigenes, and he paused to study them. Barefoot, lower-class Kon-Mi had left the prints, probably fisherfolk, whose thatched roof dwellings dotted the shoreline.